Baik, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'du. Hello everyone. In this video, I want to share with you how I make this website. In this website can do CRUD, or we call it create data, and also read data in this section, and also can update data, or I use edit here, and also delete data, or maybe I will practice here right now. This is I am creating data with this, maybe with my name. Okay, this is my name, and I will choose a class, and also I come from a class. Okay, when I save the data, so I created data. Maybe there is an error, right? I will fix it later. So this is creating data, and I will do next is read as. So we reading a data right now, and after that create, read, update. I change update with edit data like this. This is edit data. Maybe I will choose class B and save. Now this is, so the class is changed, and this is update data, and the last is delete data like this. Okay, and that is CRUD. And how I make it? So I make this with a PHP, or we can make it together. And what you need to do is, as always, open your Visual Studio Code. Oh, before that, you have to make a database. Add PHP file, local, like add here, PHP my admin. This you can access this localhost by using XMPP. If you don't install it yet, you can install it. You can install SunPP at your Chrome. Maybe just search for SunPP. This and download here. Choose what your OS and what compatible with your device. Choose, and after that you can install it. And after install, we can see like we see right now. This here, this is the what you see. So before we access this link, we can access this link if we don't start the MySQL and Apache. So we have to start it, so we can access this link and also this link. Okay, the short, if you want to access this localhost phpMyAdmin, you can also click by clicking this button admin. We will link it to this page. Okay, this is same page. You can close one and close this two. Okay, and after that you have to make a folder at your Windows C and open some pp file here. Click, and after that search for htdoc or this. Nah, you have to make a folder here first, like this folder. For example, I will make a example 1. Okay, and inside this folder we can make a PHP file by clicking this. we open at our VS Code. We can click here, we can type here code space dot. So we get to here and just click this one and create index.php. Enter. Now this is our new PHP file. And don't forget to install the extension named PHP Intelligence. Wait, PHP Intelligence. This is one. Don't forget to install this because this is make our code. We can make the PHP file easily by install this extension. Okay, and after doing this, yeah, we move to our. We can close this one. We move to our PHP admin and create our new database. And inside database is data. So database is just like folder and data like file. So how to make it? We can make it here databases and this. We can type the database name, and I would like to name my database with school CHOOL and okay, create database. After that, our database is added here, and we have to make data. We created our database. Inside our database, we have to make data, or we call it table. Table with student. Okay, I would like table name. I would like to name my table with student and create. Nah, this is our table. The first one I want to make ID name, and this is for integer. This is type data integer ID, and this is AI or auto increment. So this is will auto increment, and the next is NIS, or we call it nomor induk siswa, or maybe in English what I will search here. Yes. Student register number, or maybe you call it student register number, but I call it in Indonesia nomor induk siswa. I would like to place this one with NIS, and after that nama, or we call it name in English, and after that class, or we call Indonesia class. This we change with varchar, and we put limit of our character with 25. So the maximum character is 25, and this also 25, and this class also varchar, and which is 15, and leave all this empty. Oh, I forgot, make the NES unique, and leave this one and leave like that. Okay, why I choose unique? Because NIS or student register number can be used with two students. So NIS is just for one student. Each student have his own NES or student register number, like that. And we can click save. Now we make So we made our new table with ID in this name class here, and we move to our PHP file. The first one, we have to make our HTML file. We use shorthand, type this and enter. So the little structure of HTML will appear, and change the title with input page, and I would like to use bootstrap here, so I prepare here for bootstrap, and we will fill this one with CDN from bootstrap. We open bootstrap, bootstrap, and search for CDN at here, CDN links. Now copy this one and put inside ref. Control V. Control Z. Oh, forgot. Control C, right? And Control V. Okay, this is one. Don't forget to save. We can close here. So this is we have linked our HTML with Bootstrap. So we can do style here. We will fix this one, and the first one I want to make a card by typing here at Bootstrap. You can search here card. Okay, and just search for where is it? Where is it? Okay, I want to use this card type of card, so we can just click here, copy to clipboard, and paste here. Control V. We will fake this by clicking format document. Okay, and also this step. Nah, this one we can remove all of inside car body, and also we change this with create or edit data. Save. Okay, inside car body we can search again. We search again with you can fill this with form. Can search here FORM form overview, and I will choose here, maybe here, form control. Okay, I will use not here. No, I will use this one like password here. Okay, we can copy just password. Okay, Control C and paste here. Control V. We have to make it neat by clicking this format document, and again we will tap here. So if we take a look to our HTML, to our PHP, I'm sorry, we can look by type here localhost slash slash our folder name, and my folder name is example1. So after slash we type example1, enter. Now this is our PHP file, and it looks like this. Okay, after that we back to PHP file. A lot of things we have to change here, like this. The first one is NES, so we changed with NES, and for we change also for NES, and type we change with text because it's for text. ID we change it to NES, and also we add here name NES, save, and maybe we add here oh no, we save, and we take a look here. Now it looks like this, but I want to make it little, so I will add here styling, style, card, sorry, the first one maybe not card. We can add here mx auto, and also we put here mx auto with is just 800 pics. Save, look here, refresh. Now just like this, and this is good. And after that we put margin for card, maybe margin top 30 px, maybe that's enough. I'm sorry, 30 px. Okay, that's enough. And we move here. NES we can copy from this by typing Alt Shift down. The data is 1 2 3. Okay, we type it just 3, and it's enough. We change this with nama, or name in English. We change this also, and name, nama, and also this nama, and this one is class, or in English is class, and this is class. And oh, in this section I want to make it like this. Nah, and how I make it, we can type here, we can change input with select, okay, type text, and name is class, ID class, sorry, this is a typo here. And after that we put many option, and we put close tag here, and inside select is option with value 0. This is for the first class. Okay, and copy this, two times, change the inside this with A, with A and B, and one more C. In value, we can type A, and this B, and this C, and a PHP code. If class, sorry, if A is class, so the output is echo selected and close PHP. Okay, this is enough. We can copy and put set here and also here. Okay, and change this with B and last C. Save. This is for PHP for database. And after that, we maybe will need here. Okay, that's enough. And the last thing is for submit button. We put here call 12. So the size is little small. The size is small. Input with type submit because this is button, and name I will name it with simpan, or in English is save, and value this is for text with simpan data, and class this is for bootstrap with btn primary. You can search this class on bootstrap btn primary. Save, and we look at our HTML, so it look like this. So that's enough. Nah, don't put attention here because we have not declare what is class here and also PHP. So don't put attention here. But however, the pages look like this. And also I will make this one table data syswap, or table for student. So all of data inside our table will appear here. Okay, so below card body. Oh, I forgot to put these all things with form. This is important. Form action. This is important. X and put here, right? No, here. Okay, put here. Form. Save. Okay, okay, and we will tap. Nah, so it's up. Yeah, so we can see the difference from action and add method with method with pause because it's more safe than we use get. Can search what is the different pause and get. and the conclusion is post more safe than get. Okay, and below this no, we forgot to put the last one. Nah, save. So this enough. Okay, we put new div. Maybe we put here a note or comment untuk or read data. We put a comment here. Create data. And this, okay, read data, and we make a new div with class. Okay, we also need this class. Okay, maybe before we doing that, I forgot to put here this MX Auto. We put MX Auto outside class card here, and this is like container MX Auto. Okay, and put the close tag below all of things here. Control V, and as always, we make it neat by adding space. Okay, like this. Nah, okay, and we put here a new card. New card, and oh my god, maybe we can search that bootstrap card. Where is the card? This is card, and I would like to use I want to use this also. I want to use this also, and we can copy Control C back to our VS Code. Control V. Okay, that's enough. And as always, remove this. And filter, we place with read data, save, and inside here we make a new table with class table. Class table. Okay, or maybe we put some styling here with font weight, semi-bold, and text white, and background secondary. Okay, and inside table we put t head for make sure that this is for header at table. Inside the head we put table tr or table row, and inside that is th or table head. And don't forget to put scope here. Scope call. This is for header. The first one we put a hashtag. We copy this for time and change the second one with I'm sorry. Change the second one with Miss, right? Fitness, and after that nama, and the last thing is class. Save. And the last thing for the edit, we put one more column, one more row or column for action, or we call it action. Is that edit or delete? And after the head, we put more tbody. Inside tbody, we also tr, and tr is the first one is th. This is for. Don't forget to add scope. Scope with row because this is table data. And the first one, I want to put PHP. This is a PHP language. PHP echo root plus plus. This is increment. And as always, copy for 3 times so we can make it 4. Change this with nis. Okay, and after nis is nama. After nama, class or class. Okay, and the last thing is for action. Don't forget to put scope. There is 2 action. Is that edit or delete? So we put it add to section, to option, and we put ref here, and inside here we put a button with class. As always, class at Bootstrap is btn. For warning is btr warning. So the color change to yellow. And set it edit. Okay, and we copy. We change warning with danger, and we change here with delete. Save. Now this one I will put index php op edit because this is for edit. Sorry. And id, and put more PHP language here echo id because id will increase, and we can copy Ctrl C and Ctrl V and change this edit with delete. Save. Okay, we put add more things. Or maybe we take a look here. Maybe uh, we will see a lot of error like this because we haven't defined what is urut and what is nis, what is nama, and other. But the edit button is look like this. Okay, and we add here more for JavaScript. So just to make sure we want to delete the data or not. Return confirm yakin mau hapus data. Okay. Or really do you want to delete the data like that? Save. Okay. Okay, don't forget to put here a type for button. Type button. Now also here. Type. What? No, no, no. Type button. Save. So that's enough for HTML, and we move to the PHP, and we put PHP above HTML file with open PHP tag and close here. Okay, and the first one is we will check if the connection is connected or not. By using this, we can check the connection by using this host. The first one, we add a variable host, and the value is local host. Close, and the next is user, and the value is root. Close. Next one is password, or I will put here PB, and there is no value. And last one is database, and I also name the variable with database. And our database is, we'll check here, database. This is database, our database. So we put this database school. What? No, 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 no. School, put a close tag and tab, 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 and also this tab. Okay. And next, this is for checking the connection. Put here connect C, or whatever would be one. Okay, and the value is MySQL connect. MySQL connect, and inside this parameter, this is parameter. This one host name with the local host, and next username with the root or user. We put user here, and password with PW, and database with database. Okay, like this. Host, next user, next PW, and next database, and put a close tag here, and we'll check with the logic. If connection is not connected, okay, because we put a not operator here. So if the connection is not connected, so do this die you are disconnected, save, or maybe we'll with Indonesia, koneksi ke database gagal, or a connection to the database is failed. Put close here, and okay, there is connection. And the next is initialization, because we use a lot of initialization here, like this, and the value in this is empty because the user will fill it. And also name, we leave it here empty, and also class, we leave here also empty. And also I will put a value or variable, will put a variable success. So this variable is for alert if the data is successful or the action is successful. And also I will put error, this is alert for action where the action is error or unsuccessful. Okay, we will make this thing neat. Okay, that's enough. Save. And next is OP, or we will make a connection with this OP. We put to OP. So this section is for edit and delete. We will add, or we will code edit and delete first, and after that we will add create in after that. First one, this OP, we will make a variable for OP, and I will name it OP and is set. Get OP. And put here also OP, and when it's empty, so like this, when this action is true or it's working, so the OP, the value of OP is this, it's be like this. But is if the value is not working or false, so the OP is empty. It is like if else logic. Okay, it's like if else logic. Okay, and after that I will put here the first one is for edit. If I'm sorry, if OP equal edit. Okay, if OP equal edit at below, right? So the first one ID is get, nope, ID. Put close tag here and put space here. Next SQL1 select from select all things from our table is student. from student where ID is ID. Okay, put a class here. And the next one is key one. MySQL 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 query. Inside that we will put connection and SQL1. Okay, and next is R1. R1 we put here also MySQL, but MySQL, but not query is here is fetch array, because the R1 variable R1 will save a lot of variable Q1. Okay, and after that we will put here miss with R1 miss. Okay, after Mrs. name or nama, and after nama is class. Rename with class. I'm sorry, class. Save. We will make this need. Okay. Save and put here a logic things. If this equal 0 or empty, so the message will appear here is error message. Data tidak ditemukan, or data can found it. Data is not found. No data ditemukan, and put here close tag. Save. And this is the end of edit. Save. Or maybe I will put success and error first. Oh no. I will finish the OP first. And after edit is delete. If OP equal delete. Delete. So the action is ID. Fill out with get from ID, and SQL will save SQL1. I'm sorry. Will save a value with delete from student where ID is ID. Save. And next is Q1 MySQL query with connection and SQL and MySQL1. Save. And here is the logic. If q1. So I'm sorry, no, not like this. If q1, if q1, so if q1 is true, or this thing is true, or this connection will connect with here, and SQL will connect with here. So if all these things is true, so the message will appear is success, and the value is berhasil hapus data, or delete data is success, else will appear error message. Error message, no, error message, and the value is data or delete data is failed. Okay. Okay, and after this, oh no, not here. This my pad here. Else error. Okay, close tag, save, and don't forget to put close thing or semicolon. Save, and next I will make a change. Add here. Okay, after card. No, not after cut, but after cut body, and this change is for appearing error message first. Okay, we put a space here, and the first one is okay, PHP, and put class tag here. Okay, and inside PHP things is if error, or if the message is error. So do, or add the message here with div, or like this. We will close the PHP first with the close tag from PHP, and add here PHP. Nah, div with class from bootstrap, alert danger, just from bootstrap, and inside alert danger is PHP. Echo, and the order is echo appear error, and error, variable error or value of error is many things, like gagal menghapus data, data ditemukan, and other. Okay, we put close tag here and add here rule alert save. Okay, that's for menampilkan besar error appearing error message. And the next is and next is for appearing success message. Okay, like the first one, just copy this and paste here. Okay, but change this with success, and also not danger but success, and also this with success. And okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. Save. So if we see at our HTML, say, now it looks like this. It's still like this because yeah, there is an error here, and the error says at line 7 there is error root. What is that? Localhost. No connection could be made because the target machine actually very wizard. Stack trace and MySQL connect localhost for the best sensitive parameter value. Scope. Throw. Okay, maybe we'll check at line 7. Up here, line 7, here user PW database. Host user PW database root localhost scope. Okay, maybe we'll change it later. And you can just move to the next section here. After OP, this is OP, and this is the close OP. And after OP, we will create a PHP file edit edit and create or insert data. Okay, next to the create and update data or edit. First one is put like this, and if is set is pass simpan, it will connect it with submit button. And next is nis, we will put the initialization for nis, and inside nis is pass nis and close. No, here close. And as always, we will copy this 3 times. No, just okay, that's enough. We will need nis nama class. Okay, just 3 nis nama. I'm sorry, I will change it to Indonesia first. Nama, and also this nama. This is for class, and also this for class. Save, and we will make this name. Okay, save. Okay, and we add here a logic operation if op equal wrong if this and nama and also class and also class and also alamat. So this mean is when this all thing is inputted like nis, nama, class, alamat. We don't need alamat, can input alamat. So when the user is input nis, nama, class, all of them. So if so do is action, and also inside action is we will put if also if op equal edit, because I will choose edit first. So this is for edit or update data. SQL1 and inside SQL1 is update order for update started set this with this and nama with nama and class with class, and that's enough. Where id and where id is id, yeah, put close here, and next is q1. It will save as always connection and wait no MySQL query. Let's say query with connection and SQL1 it will connect it here, and connection is at the top. Okay, if q1, so if the q1 is true or this variable or this value is true to this action, it will appear success message. Success with data berhasil diperbarui. Okay, but else if the q1 is false, so the message is error, and insert error data gagal diperbarui. Save, and that is for edit. And next we'll move for insert. We put here else. The first one is condition for edit because op edit. So if the op is not edit and also not delete, okay, else we put here the first one as always SQL1 insert into student is nama kelas and with values is nama kelas and put close with semicolon and Q1 MySQL. We forgot to put dollar here because initialization have connected. We have put in before initialization with dollar. MySQL query. Inside this as always connect C and SQL1 SQL1 and this SQL1 this one close tag and this if this Q1 is true, so the message will appear success with the value data berhasil diperbarui put close here and else error data gagal diperbarui data gagal diperbarui save. So it means when this variable is true, or it means this one Q1 or the value, it will connected with connection at the top, and SQL1 here means here. So insert into student blah 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 blah. But if this true and also connection true, so appear message success. But if one of these thing false, so it means this one false. Put or alert with diperbarui. Then the next, okay, we forgot to put else after this if. So we will put here. It means when this data is not inputted all of this thing, or when this all data like ENS nama kelas is incomplete or the user is not input, maybe just he just input nama and class without this, so this message will appear error, and I will put inside here silakan isi semua data, close, save. Okay, so the logic is like this. Okay, and the last thing, I will make this body will appear, will make like this. Sorry. Nah. So wait. Okay. Maybe as you know. Oh, I forgot to put start to start this one. Okay. Let's start with back. Reload. Ah, there's error. Okay, whatever. Then maybe we can. Okay, we forgot to initialize urut here. So I want to data is read here. Okay, and we back to our code and put the after the body uh, put after the body PHP language PHP PHP. Don't forget to put the close tag. Okay, here we will initialize SQL2 with select the value is select all things from student student and order by descending. Okay, save and as always skill to MySQL e MySQL query with connection and SQL2 and urut. We'll initialize urut with 1. Save. We will look at here. Reload. Okay, there is a fatal error uncag MySQL key blah 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 blah. Select from near the scanning at line 1. Blah 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 blah. Okay, at line 100 for this. So there is a error here, and I will fix it later. We will continue our code. Continue our code here with while because it looping while R2 is MySQL e fetch array Q2 okay, and ID is as always R2 ID, and we will copy Alt Shift down, Alt Shift down, Alt Shift down. That's enough. First is this, and also we changed it with this, and this is with nama class is class class, and we will add type here. Okay. And we put close tag for PHP here, and for this one, for this close tag, we will move at the bottom. But wait, okay. At the bottom, at here. After there, add PHP and put it here, and add close tag. Save. Okay, that is our code, and I hope it works. Okay guys, I found the error here. So we forgot to put here a value for each input. So this one we have to put inside here value, and the value is connected with our PHP things at the top. So value, first one, warp this with string, and put inside here PHP as always. PHP, inside PHP, we put here echo nis, because this is nis, and we can just copy this thing, Control C, and put inside here Control V, and also here, and don't forget to change this with nama, because this at the input nama, and the last thing is class. No, class. That's select right. Okay, save, and that's maybe enough, I hope. And you can check it with refresh. Oh, it's not working. Maybe enter. So there's error at here, told here, but I will check it again. Okay, and I also found another thing here. I forgot to put after this one SQL2. Select all things or universal selector, or all things form student or table student, and order it by what? We order it by ID, and bar ID descending, and this connection is will connected with the top, and also SQL2 is connected with this one. So why the error is 174? Because 174 is this SQL2. There is SQL2. Connection is okay, but SQL2 is not. SQL2 earlier we don't have ID here. So I added ID here. And urut is 1. So in the increment is will increase 1 by 1. Let me check again. While R2 MySQL effects array Q2 and ID R2 blah 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 blah. Okay, I hope it's work. I hope it works. Okay, it works. And last thing, I will put data here like NSN V001. And my name is Muhammad Fakih Ali. And my class is A. So simpan data. Data berhasil diperbarui. Our data is newer like that. But why it's bold? Because I put here TH, not TD. I will change this to TD, table data. And also this all thing with table data. Don't forget to change the close tag also. So I will left th for the first one because it is ID. Save and reload. Lanjutkan. Okay, there is error at line 3, but it's okay. It's enough. And if I edit data, my class B, data berhasil diperbarui, and don't forget to no, my class is C. No, edit. I will change my class to C. No, it's not newer. If I put my name here, okay, but if I edit my data to B, it's changed to B, but my data here is not changed. Why? I will check it. And I hope it's the last. And I found the error here at, at this one. Where is it? Okay, at here. It's supposed to be here. It's supposed to be this because ID is we get the ID from here, from the user, and I hope it works. So maybe we can refresh the first one, edit data. I'll change to B, and okay, it changed to B, and I will change my name to Muhammad Ali. Make a boxer, change Muhammad Ali, and it's work. If I this create, we create data and read data and edit data or update data, and the last thing is delete. We can check here, delete. Do you want to delete your data? If I click OK, and there is an error here. Maybe we can check here, delete from student where ID is ID. So guys, after I check my error at my PHP file, then I found this one at line. So if we see this at line 37, but 37 is connected with Connexi. Connexi is okay, but SQL1 here. If we take a look the value from SQL1, delete data from student where ID is ID. Maybe it's like good, but I forgot to put close for ID like this. Save, and we will check it again. And I hope it works. Delete data, okay, and berhasil hapus data. So we put Ahmad again, berhasil. No, this is not the message. I will change the message here. Berhasil diperbarui, insert not diperbarui, but data berhasil dimasukkan. Nah, data gagal dimasukkan. Save. I will add again with 002 and name is Ahmad Junaidi, and this class is B. Nah, change it with data berhasil dimasukkan. But if I edit Ahmad, to class C, data berhasil diperbarui, like that. And he's still at 1. Okay, and there is create, read, edit, and also delete. And it's named CRUD. And I hope my explanation is clear for all of you. And I say thank you for your attention in this video, and I apologize if there are any bad words or bad pronunciation out of my mouth. And thank you very much. And the last word, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.